Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we are looking at how to open up a account on Rumble. This newly growing, this new social media platform is growing quickly. It's gaining popularity. So just go to rumble.com, then click on sign up in the top right. You gotta fill these out. So put your name, username, and then create a password. And then retype it. Email address, just put an email real quick. I think you can copy paste here. Yep. And then country, just put whatever country you live in. For me, that would be, where is United States? Kingdom. That right here is at the very top. That is my bad. Sorry about that. 1, 2, 3. What was this again? Address 1, 2, 3. Main Street. And then put your city. Just put Dallas, Texas. And then you have to enter your birthday. So just put whatever. Or put your real birthday, I guess. I'll just click register. You have to click on agree on all terms and services. And then it says congratulations, you have made an account. And then you have to go to your email to verify if you want to like actually become a creator and whatnot. So here's a quick video. It shows you on how to use Rumble.
Do this before bed to stop.
Well, here's the ad. But yeah, it shows you how to use Rumble and whatnot. Subscribe to, these are some of the popular channels on here. So you can like subscribe to these people. And then after that, you can click sign in. And then you are in your account. Then if you click on the Rumble button, you can like use it kind of like, it's kind of like YouTube, where you just search up videos and choose whatever interests you. Then that is how you make a Rumble account. And you can go to featured section, which is probably like the popular accounts. You can go to podcasts, finance, leaderboard, sports. Let me see sports. There's a lot of stuff here. Yeah, like football and whatnot. And then you could go to create, which you can upload videos or go live. You could look at all of your settings here, and that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.